Hey, my name is Queston Good Fortune, and I am coming to you on behalf of Good Fortune Financial, where we have a system called GovCash. And it's a complete land your first government contract system, step-by-step process of everything that you need in order for you to get going. This system walks you from LLC formation to your first bid. No experience needed. You can start free. You can upgrade when ready. But as you know about government contracting, right? This is a $700 billion industry. I said $700 billion with a B. And 23% of those small contracts, small business contracts, they are set aside for small businesses. So we have a 10-step by step module that can help you get to where you go, get to where you want to go and what avenue you're trying to pursue. So let's go ahead and dig in. We'll go ahead and log into my account. Be patient with me. Okay, so this is what it's really about right here. Let me drag this down over here. All right, so when you're inside of the dashboard, as you can see, it has a nice sleek look to the dashboard. And this is what they call the registration process, where you literally can click from business setup once you're through with that, EIN, SAM registration, UEI plus cage assigned, profile optimization, first contract found, first contract bid. All right, so the most important thing when you're getting inside of government contracting, this is what you have to expect. The NAICS code. All LLCs should have a formulation with an NAICS code, right? So inside of this system, right, of the GovCash system, it tells you why the NAICS code comes first. Because before you form an LLC, before you get an EIN, before you open a bank account, you need to know what industry your business operates in and what NAICS codes determine. So it's usually IRS classification when you apply for your EIN, what contracts you're eligible for on SAM.gov, your small business size standardized revenue or employee threshold, Dun & Bradstreet number classification, lender and agencies there verify your business based on this code right here and whether you qualify set aside for certain programs. This is a lot of stuff that you would get inside of the system, and this is in the free this is in a free this is in a free setting as well. But when you come to business setups, we got a segment for business setups. I'll show you exactly how it goes, but that's a part of the premium version. Federal registration, where it actually walks you through how to actually get government contracts and set everything up. Positioning, we got the capital statement, we got the contract finder, subcontracts, where you can actually go subcontracts and then supply goods and services to those people who are listed as government contractors. Bidding system, getting paid. We also got a segment in here that show you exactly how to go get government grants. So let's go to the business setup. And you automatically go to the business setup. You'll see that you are free forever right here, where you can look, where you can, go inside of the NAICS strategy and code section and progress tracker. Right here, this plan gives you full access for $37 a month. You get all 10 cash modules. You get the NAICS strategy and code selection, the step-by-step LLC formation guide, federal registration walkthrough. Like this is the gist of it right here. This right here is very important. All right, contracts, finders, and bid systems. You get the grant.gov and SBA grant programs. We teach you how to do all of that inside, and you also get AI assistant, compatible statement builder, subcontracting and teaming strategies, progress tracking. You can do this right here from a secure payment link right here. And once you go to the payment link, you'll see exactly what you're subscribing to. You can go right here, you can cancel, you can do whatever you want to do. Now we're going back to the free system. And as you can see, the dashboard is this is a very beautiful dashboard. They have everything set up all of the things that you would need for you to set up for government contracting. If you want to be a part of Cash, GovCash, the GovCash system, click the link and let's do it together. Peace.